Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, and this is how to make a capture page and why. Now, if you want to sell something on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, which I've already told you what that is, directories of products, and ClickBank, you need to get your personal link. Now, you cannot share them on Facebook because you get banned, and that's one way to get banned. They won't. They'll actually stop it. They won't actually send it. So you need to mask the link by making a capture page. So I'm choosing to show you this one because they've actually got a new website builder out called Cheetah, but this one is already made. So I'm just going to show you how to make a new capture page with a pixel perfect builder. And the one I've chosen is the hero funnel. And it's a bit slow because I'm sharing my screen. Because if you show something to somebody once, they're not necessarily going to take any notice. They need to see it about, say, between 4 and 7 times. So we're looking at a new website. So that's where we actually, if we've got a sequence is 4 or 5 emails on the same topic, sell it, explain things in a different way. So the good things about this product are and how it's going to help them. By say day 4 or day 3, they might be willing to buy it. So step 1 is the capture page. So we want the sales funnel, and it's called the hero funnel because there's quite a few here, but to simplify things, I'm not even going to explain them all. We just want to do this in and out. Edit. Now this is, all you do is you change the picture and change the words and change the link. So if, for instance, you don't have to put a logo, but I'm going to put my little ninja in. So I've chosen my own product called Facebook Leads Machine. I've done a product of 3 different videos of how to get, I can get 56, 111 leads, 300 plus leads from one Facebook post. So I've decided to package it all up in a product, and it got accepted on Warrior Plus. So you can actually promote this product yourself. So Facebook Leads Machine. Actually, I want to put Facebook Leads Machine there. Come on, Di. Facebook Leads Machine. But I want that bold. There. You can underline it, underscore it, make different colours, background colours. You can use a new style and different sizes there. But I'm digressing. So I would like to put here how to get 56 leads. How to get 56 plus leads. Whoops. From one Facebook post. Whoops. That just about fits, look. From one Facebook post, let's go to the colour here. Let's make it, look, you can change it to any colour you like. Let's make it red. There. So you can put a little description in here. Discover in this 3-video series how to get more than 50 leads, and from where? On Facebook. With these ninja tricks. You like it, ninja tricks, and I've got a little ninja. Okay, then I want the proof here. So I'm going to change the image. This literally takes not very long at all. So let's just choose any one of these. That one there. Now you just got to check the placing and the size of the, you can just, you want that little dot so you can change the size of it, look. So try about that big, move it across, a bit smaller, bit smaller. There you go. So that's it in a nutshell for a capture page. Hold on a minute, just scroll down. Yeah, that you can leave that there. Now, this one, you need to you have to save it first. Save as your friend. And I'm going to call this Facebook leads machine video. I've actually already done one of these. This is just to help you do it. Right then. Cocky. So, okay, now I need to go to Mailing Boss. So Mailing Boss is the email autoresponder that can send automatic emails while you're asleep. So if somebody in America is opening an email and you're asleep, it's easy. So you can send an email autoresponder, means you can send one a day, maybe two, but not too many, where you can actually get to know them and give them lots of value, as well as selling. So it's a balance. So if you configure this to Mailing Boss, now because this is called the hero funnel, you don't need to make a new list. So I would call this hero funnel copy 10, for example. And then you right click again and you change the URL. So you want this to go straight to the capture page, straight to the offer. This is all you need. Pending subscribe, there is a thank you page already on this funnel. There you go. Subscription confirmed. Then you go, oh, hold on. You need the link, the web address, which I have already got here. Sales page, right click, copy link. In case you don't know what Evernote is, Evernote's a free tool that you can add notes and call it what you want and save important things. So let's go back to the HTML editor. Then you put that in there like this. And then a top tip from Shelley from Builderall, you can do that again. Shh. Save is your friend. Confirm. Save. So that's it, guys. That is the new how to do how to do a capture page in 3 seconds. We've done the email list. And that's it, really. The next video in this series is setting up your emails, guys. Now, if you haven't already, I suggest you get the 7-day trial, because there's been some new and amazing updates recently, and they keep adding new tools on what to make this a better platform. It's not just emails and capture pages. After tomorrow, I will be showing you 10 things that you didn't know that you needed that are all already inside Builderall. So you don't need an autoresponder, a capture page maker, an auto poster for Instagram, an auto poster for Facebook, or anything. It's all in one. Exciting stuff. If you want to know more about Builderall, and you want a one-on-one session with me, I'll put that below as well. If you've got any questions, I'd love to hear them. Okay, I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.